Order your EcoStudio before January the 10th and beat the 2026 price increase. This stunning EcoStudio was purchased by a semi-retired businessman who needed office space away from his home. He wanted space to read and relax and to watch his favourite sport. And of course, to celebrate his retirement, a stunning bar with optics, LED lighting, natural light, fridge and bifolding doors with integrated blinds that completely open onto the decking and garden for summer gatherings where the built-in sound system ensures friends and family are fully entertained. Every aspect of the design and installation of the EcoStudio, including the bar, oak tables, was manufactured in-house by our own craftsmen, without any subcontractors whatsoever. All our builds are made to order and can be fully bespoke to your requirements. You choose the size, colour and location in your garden and simply leave the rest to us. Request your EcoStudio quote before January the 10th and pay the 2025 price.